Hey guys, it's Bill from Not in Beta, and I'm going to show you how to install Android L. I just downgraded from it for educational purposes only. So, go to Settings, go all the way down to About Tablet, scroll down to Build Number, start tapping that until you're a developer, then you get Developer Tools. You want to turn on USB debugging. My tablet's touchscreen will let it. Tap OK. OK for that, and then you're good for this part. So now we're going to switch over to the computer.
Okay, so now the process is real simple. You just want to go to Settings, Keyboard, Shortcuts, Services, scroll down until you see New Terminal at Folder. So then, once that's selected, you can X out and open the file, which link will be in the description. And when you do that, you're going to want to right click, hit New Terminal at Folder. Type, for Mac users, you're going to need to type / before every command. And PC users, you can't do the right click open in terminal because you have to actually go into the folder, hit shift, and then right click at the same time to open a CMD file. Also, you will not have to do the / for every command from PC users. So now you're going to want to do /adb devices /adb reboot dash loader. Huh. Let me check on my device. Doesn't want to work. Oh, I forgot it. Allow the device. So now it's ADB devices. It's attached. Now we can do reboot bootloader. Then you can go to the device and it'll show you that you're in the bootloader. And so now you're gonna want to type /OEM unlock. But I've already done that, so I'll just lock it. Oh wait, you're supposed to do /fast boot. And it'll say waiting for device. So I might just cancel that for me because I don't want to have to delete all my data again. I was just showing you for an example, but it seems to not want to work. So do new terminal at folder /flash all.sh. PC users, you're gonna want to type in flash-all dot .bat. So it would look like this is what it'll look like for PC users. Flash. Then you just have to enter. But for me, it's now I have to go back and do / waiting for device. Writing bootloader. This should take a couple seconds, and I'll start recording for the. Once that's done, I'm gonna start recording the process of the device booting up. So I'll be back.
Okay, so I've been booting up right now from our loading, still with the USB device in, and it just finished up. I just had to cut the other video that I was just making out, because it took too long. So now you got your welcome screen. Looks like Android KitKat. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this process in a little bit, but I just want to make sure you read the warning. It says this is a preview version of Android, subject to change, governed by the Android SDK. So yeah.